Hello, my name is Catalina Romero. I present the activities that I did before March 2020 when arrived the pandemic. My family and I were going to the restaurant. We were usually dining out. We were going to buy at the supermarket and malls when it started to close all the stores and public places. We were going to amusement park. We were going to the cinema. We were often watching the movies. I was traveling in family. I was celebrating the special days with my family. I was sometimes having a family meal and I was also going to church to pray. I worked in ICA. I was going at the office every week until the pandemic time. I was attending meetings, sending messages, and writing reports of presential form. I was meeting with my colleagues and with my friends. We were going to have them. While I was working in the office, my son was studying in the school. My son was going to the school every week. I was going to gym. My family and I were going to ciclovia. I was going to skate. I was studying my master and I was doing my thesis. Thank you.